Wanted to use this yellow brick because it matches the house that you can see in the background, so we've used it on the top of the walls. So the idea was to create something you could use for wheeled things like trolleys and wheelbarrows and lawnmowers to get up and down from this height down to this height.
I'm starting with the excavation of 2 small trenches. I also want to dig down deep enough to the compacted clay. The gravel helps water pass underneath the concrete. I install a form for the other side of this trench and lock it in with timber braces so we can get a bed of concrete that's going to lie underneath it. We just keep adding concrete, agitating it in with our trowel. We disassemble our formwork the same way as we've done many times through this project.
We're going to need 120 of these.
So we're going to stack them up a few courses right here, where the pathway transitions from the flat part to the ramped area. This dry layout is extra important.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.